Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Metal Ave, Tippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2000 model Mitsubishi Pajero GLS, stock reference number 4734. The shape runs from the 5th month 2000 through to the 10th month 2002. It has a 6G74 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic four-wheel drive transmission. 6G74 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, radiator grille, right hand fog light, front bumper cover, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, left power door mirror, bonnet appears to have no damage, left front door 2 small dents, left rear door has a small crack at the check strap inside of the panel, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, left hand tail light. Tailgate has one small dent, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, less neck, spare wheel 16-inch factory alloy mag, right hand rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, right hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets, right front door has 2 small dents and small cracks inside at the check strap, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey cloth centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.